Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize slash refresh my natural hair while in a protective style. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So I've had my protective hairstyle in for about a month now. I've installed some Marley twist. If you haven't checked out that video, then I'll leave it linked in the cards above. So right now I'm just kind of showing you guys what my new growth is looking like after a month, and I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of my routine. So the two products that I'm going to be using in this video are from my hair care line called Coily. It's always linked down in the description box if you want to check it out. So I'm going to be using the Aloe Hibiscus Curl Refresher as well as the Henna Hair Growth Oil. So before I go into my routine, I just want to take this time out to say thank you to every single person who has purchased from my product line. I really appreciate all you guys' support. I really appreciate all the positive comments I've been getting from people about how much they're really enjoying their products. And I just want to say thank you so much. I cannot express how grateful I am for you guys purchasing, supporting all the time, and I just want to say thank you guys so very much. Also, I want to shout out to, I'm not going to put their whole names out there, but Kim, Yolanda, Mariah, and I believe it's pronounced Chanel, who have left comments on my website on how much they're enjoying their products that they've purchased from me. I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. So now let's get into the routine. So probably about 2 to 3 times a week, I like to grab my curl refresher and I like to spray it on my scalp and my roots. So the curl refresher that I'm using is the Aloe Hibiscus, and it contains aloe vera juice. And the aloe vera juice is infused with hibiscus flowers, and it also contains rose water, and it also contains glycerin. All this can be found on the website, as well as the benefits to all these ingredients. But I really like to use this as a refresher, just because aloe vera helps to promote hair growth. It prevents itching of the scalp, especially since I'm wearing a protective hairstyle, and also it helps reduce dandruff as well as conditions your hair. So after I spray this all over my scalp and my roots, I just like to make sure I just massage it in. Then I'll follow up with my Henna Hair Growth Oil to seal in all the moisture. After I do my moisturizing routine, if I feel like my hair looks a little frizzy, I'm just going to use some mousse to kind of tame the frizz. Then I'll apply a little bit of edge control if I plan on going out. If I plan on staying in, then I'll skip this part. And before I go to bed, I like to take a satin wrap and wrap it around my edges to protect my edges while I sleep. And then I'll put this really large bonnet on, and that is how I try to preserve my protective style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.